It's Bert. Here he comes. Look out. Oh. Look out. Boom, 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 boom. Here we come. Here we come. You want to give Bert a kiss? Give Bert a kiss? Aw, thank you. You want to kiss the back of his head? Here. Want to kiss the back of his head? Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Ready? Give him a kiss? Yeah. And he'll give you a kiss? Alright, you want to watch Sesame Street with Bert? Yeah. What are you telling him? What are you telling him? What are you saying? Are you saying you want to watch Lady and the Tramp? Yeah? No? Do you want to watch Finding Nemo? Do you want to watch Chicken Little? No? Do you want to watch... You want to watch Peter Pan? Or do you want to watch Sesame Street? Sesame Street? You want to watch Sesame Street with Bert? Where's Bert? Where is he? Lucy, where's Bert? See, you can see him, Mama. Silly. Where is he? Can you look at him? Where's Bert? There's Bert. He's right here. Do you love Bert? See, I don't know. It's kind of a commitment. Yeah? Is Bert your new favorite? Yeah? Should I get Ernie too? Should I get Ernie? Ernie. He's way over here. He's way over here. Oh. 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 He knocked Bert over. What's he doing? Oh. That's not very nice, is it? Ernie's being real nasty. There they are. Are you all ready to watch Sesame Street now? You're all ready to watch Sesame Street? Yeah. Alright, tell everybody bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everybody. Yeah, good job.